This Instagram tutorial video is going to show you 2 different ways of hiding your Instagram account. So maybe you want to hide your account from people who are not following you, and you don't want them to see your posts and your followers, or maybe you want to temporarily hide your Instagram account from the whole platform so even your friends and your followers can't find or see your account. Just follow the steps in the video. And make sure to watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. The very first step is to go over to your Instagram profile page, and then we'll have to access the settings page. What I'll then do is to tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right, and you'll get to this Insta settings page. From here, we're going to tap on the account privacy option, which is then going to give us an option to make our Instagram account private. If I enable this switch, we'll essentially hide our Instagram account from other people on the platform who don't follow us. They can't see our posts, our followers, and they cannot send us messages and similar things, but all of the people who do follow you can see your account normally. So what if you want to hide your account from the entire platform so that even your friends and family members can't see your account for a certain period, but you don't want to delete your account permanently? I'm going to go back to the main settings page. After this, I'll open the Account Center option here, select the Personal Details option, then Account Ownership and Control. We have deactivation or deletion at the bottom. Now select the Instagram account which you wish to hide, and I'll hide this Marshall Johnson 028 account. Instagram is then going to give us 2 different options, and we won't delete our account because that's a permanent process. Instead of that, select the Deactivate Account button, which is at the top. And now you'll want to enter your Instagram password in order to confirm your identity. What happens is that your entire profile basically disappears from Instagram. People won't be able to search for you, see your photos, or look at your followers list. To everyone else, it looks like your account doesn't exist anymore. That's why it's such a good way to hide your Instagram if you want a break or just want a little privacy. The best part is, it's only temporary. Whenever you feel like coming back, all you have to do is log in with your username and password, and your profile, your posts, your likes, all of it will come right back exactly the way you left it.